Hey, Adam here, founder and developer of Paid Members app for Stripe. We're a Stripe verified partner, and I'll link to our partner page on the Stripe website in the notes below the video. We're a no-code subscription management app that works on almost any website builder that allows you to connect your existing website to everything Stripe. So this video is on no-code Stripe with Alipay. So for Stripe, you have to either be a developer or hire a developer to write the code for you, or to use Stripe payment links. But as of the date of this video, Stripe payment links do not support alternative payment methods like Alipay. So that's why we developed it for you, to make it fast and easy for you to put a Stripe checkout button on your website with Alipay. So this is an example of what a Stripe checkout session looks like with Alipay as an option. I just have a test website here with some lorem ipsum text and various checkout buttons. You can make subscription buttons or pay with card one-time payment buttons. You can have them say whatever you want in the text, and you can style them to look like the other buttons on your website, or use the out-of-the-box Stripe checkout styling. So I'm going to click on pay with card, just like a customer would click on a button on your website, and Stripe checkout session opens up, and a customer can pay with a card if they like, but they can pay with this alternative payment method, Alipay. So let's test this integration out. Let me put in an email, alipay@test.com. Okay, and process that charge. Okay, and Stripe will take you to this testing page, and you can either fail the test payment or authorize it. If you fail it, it should just go back to the Stripe checkout session, and your customer would just return here. So let me try that again and authorize the transaction. Again, I'm going to use alipay@test.com as the customer email and click pay. So on this page here that Stripe gives us, I'm just going to click authorize test payment. And your customer will be redirected back to your existing website, and we pop up the complete sign-up form. This is supplied by Paid Members app, and your customer can put in their name, email, and you can also add custom questions, drop-downs, radio buttons, checkboxes to ask anything that you want, and that will be associated with your customer profile. Let me put in an email and password, and after that I'm going to click continue. Okay, and then the first form we show is a My Account form, which if you have digital content in members-only areas on your website, you can unlock content based on what the customer just paid for, or you can skip this My Account form if you like, and just go immediately to show the profile form. The profile form allows your customer to manage their own account, so you can work on your business and your customers can manage their own profiles. We also integrate with Customer Portal, Stripe Customer Portal. If you have that feature on your standard Stripe account, you can have your customers click Billing Portal and log right into your Stripe Customer Portal. So you get to define what your customers can do, like upgrade, downgrade between various plans, cancel their account if you'd like. And again, this is 100% up to you. You can define what's allowed in your Stripe Customer Portal, but Stripe Customer Portal is really cool. It allows your customers to manage their own accounts. So how do you set this up? So just go to stripe.com and log into your Stripe account. Okay, here I am logged into my test account. Hover over the gear icon for settings, and then there's a section for payments. Click payment methods. Okay, this video is on Alipay, so just search for Alipay right here. So this is pending for me in this account in live mode, but we're in test mode. So what you're gonna wanna do is turn this on in test mode for testing, and then when you're ready, also turn this on in live mode. Make sure it's on in live mode to take real live payments. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is just log into your Paid Members app account, paidmembersapp.com. And after you've associated your Stripe account through Stripe Connect, just click on My Account, and then scroll down to the section that says Stripe Alternative Payment Methods, and just check this box like I did for Alipay. Just because it's enabled in your Stripe account, we don't know if you want it on your payment button, so just check that box, and then we'll know. And also, if you're doing things like using Customer Portal, just let us know that you have Stripe billing and that you are using and want to use Customer Portal on our forms. Okay, the next thing to do is go to Setup Checklist, Payment Buttons, and you can create one-time payment buttons or subscription buttons. In this example, I'm making a one-time payment button, and you have to name your button, like you can change the button text of the button and all these other options, and we have various advanced options like adding shipping and redirecting to a custom URL if you'd like. I have some checkout buttons that I've saved. I'm going to choose this US button right here. Okay, and then just click Update Button. And we give you a little snippet of code that we've written for you. You don't have to hire a developer to write the code. We did it for you. Then just copy that code and go into your website and embed that code. And as soon as you publish your website, you will see the payment button magically appear on your page, just like these payment buttons here. And again, if your customer comes to your website and click that button, they will be redirected to checkout.stripe.com, and Alipay will be an option for their payments. And that is how you add Alipay with no coding required using Paid Members app the Stripe Verified Partner and Membership plugin for Stripe.